Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and in this session what we are going to learn. Friends, in last couple of videos we have successfully built the magic mirror on our Raspberry Pi 4. Okay, also we have enabled the Alexa inside our magic mirror. Also we have enabled the Iron Man GIF inside our magic mirror. In this video what we are going to do, in this video we are going to move a further step, one more step, and we are going to change the black default background of our magic mirror with unsplash random images. Okay, we are going to install the unsplash images inside the magic mirror as a background. So right now if I open the magic mirror, as you can see there is a black background default. Okay, and I don't want this black background. I want a beautiful HD images which is basically unsplash. So we are going to enable the unsplash API, okay, for third party module. Okay, so let's start. But before we move to our practical, friends, if you learned something from our videos, please consider to subscribe our channel. Okay friends, thank you so much, and just let's start. So I'm going to press Ctrl M for exit from the magic mirror, and we are going to first clone the repository. I will mention the link. This is what the repository, and we are going to use here a Wallberry theme which provide us unsplash images, or we can basically say with the help of Wallberry theme we can enable the unsplash API. Okay, so simply what we are going to do, first we need to simply clone the repository. So simply I will mention the link. You need to simply visit the link, go to the code, copy the link, and open the terminal. And of course we need to go inside the magic mirror folder. Okay, so CD capital M magic mirror, then we need to go inside the modules folder, modules. And if I run the ls command, here we have our already enable modules, Alexa, Iron Man GIF, and I have already clone the Wallberry theme repository. As you can see, simply you need to run the command, not need a sudo. Basically simply we are going to run without sudo git clone, and we need to paste the link which we copied. Okay, simply then hit enter. It will clone the Wallberry theme folder inside the modules. Okay, as you can see I have already clone it. So command is what, git clone and paste the link. That's it. Now we have our Wallberry theme folder. Now simply we need to go inside our Wallberry theme, hit enter, and here we are going to run the commands npm without sudo npm install, and just hit enter. It will enable, or it will install the Wallberry theme module inside our magic mirror folder. You need to simply run the npm space install command. Okay friends, so first clone the repository inside magic mirror slash modules folder. After that you need to go inside the Wallberry theme folder, and then you need to run the command npm space install. That's it, we have enabled our module. Now what we want to do, as I told you, we need here unsplash API key. So how do we get? Simply you need to go their official website and register with your Gmail ID. Okay, so link is what, unsplash, I will show you, unsplash.com, then slash, you need to mention a developer. As you can see, this is what the link, unsplash.com slash developers. You need to visit unsplash.com as a developer. So unsplash.com slash developers, this is what the link. I will mention the link, no worry about the link. Then simply you need to create your new account, okay, with your Gmail ID, and then they will send you the verification link, and you need to simply click on verification link, then of course verify your account. That's it, then log in as your account. Then friends, what you want to do, we want to create the application here. So simply we are going to create the new application. So we are going to go your apps. Okay, click on your apps, and then we are going to create a new application. So simply we need to click on new application, then just select this box with check mark. Okay, select it. Then simply we need to accept their terms. Okay, accept it, and mention the application name as per your requirement. You can mention any name. I am going to mention here a magic mirror, and simply you need to mention a description. So this is for magic mirror. That's it. Create application, and it will create the application. Okay, so as you can see, I have created the magic mirror is just a application. If you want to delete the application, simply click on here delete, and it will delete your application. Okay, within second. Now scroll down where we are basically interested. We need here our access key. So this is what our access key. As you can see, this is what our access key. Simply copy it, then move to the Wallberry theme repository. Just scroll down here, and we need to, as you can see, this is what the themes, or this is what the wallpaper, not themes, basically this is what the wallpaper. So scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, and we need here this modules code. Simply you need to paste, copy and paste this code from start from this curly braces. So this, copy it, and we need to go inside our config.js folder, or config.js file, not folder, config.js file. So magic mirror config folder, config.js, open it with the notepad, scroll down, and we need to simply paste that code as we paste for the enabling the Ironman GIF or enabling the Amazon. Same step, you need to simply copy the code from here, copy it, and open the config.js, and simply we are going to paste like this way. Hit enter. After the curly braces with comma, hit enter. Okay, then again hit enter like this way, and paste that code which we have copied, and we need to set in line like this way. Module, come here, then position, then config, then next one line, then collection, and then our curly braces. Curly braces is come in this line. Okay, so set like this way. Then simply we need to press hit enter here, and then we need to mention curly braces with the comma. Curly braces with the comma. Check all the curly braces in the line. Okay, otherwise of course it will get us the error. So that's it. We have set our code. Now as you can see here, your Unsplash API key, where here we want to copy that key. So simply move on our side, Unsplash, copy the access key. Okay, then again our config.js file, and just paste that key here, over here, and paste it. That's it. Okay, now file, save it, and it will automatically start our magic mirror. Okay, so if we set all the thing good, we will get the Unsplash wallpaper. As you can see friends, we have set the Unsplash wallpapers on our magic mirror. Okay, and it will automatically change after some time. Okay, it will automatically randomly change. Suppose if you want a random wallpapers, simply press Ctrl M, and here as you can see, I have mentioned here where our code, just a minute, Wallberry thing, this is what our code. And the collections, as you can see, optional, leave empty for random photos. If you want to simply go with the random photos, you can simply mention the collection as empty, then it will go with random photos. As you can see, they mention here, leave empty for the random photos. Simply file, save it, and again it will start automatic our magic mirror, and then we will have the random photos from our Unsplash. As you can see, so this is the way friends you can create the Unsplash API key. Also you can set the unsplash wallpapers or unsplash images on your magic mirror. I hope you will learn something from this video. We'll meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.